condensed milk cheesecake slice. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees, then spray your lamington pan with oil and line it with baking paper. For the biscuit base, place biscuits in a food processor and process until they're finely crushed. Add melted butter and process again until the mixture is well combined. Spoon the biscuit mixture into the pan and spread it to the edges. Use a glass with a flat base to press it out evenly, and then chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm up. For the filling, put cream cheese in a clean food processor. Process until smooth. Add condensed milk and lemon juice and process until smooth. Then add the eggs and process again until combined. Sprinkle some berries over the biscuit base. Pour over the cheesecake filling and sprinkle with some more berries. Then bake for 30 minutes until the filling is just set. Turn the oven off, prop the door open and leave the cheesecake slice in the oven to cool for about an hour. Then pop it in the fridge for 2 hours to chill before cutting into pieces. This creamy berry cheesecake slice is the perfect treat to share for morning or afternoon tea. For more cheesecake inspiration, don't miss our perfect baked New York cheesecake video here.